In this video, I will teach you how to use AppSheet for inventory management. So first, you just have to go to the appsheet.com website. If you don't have an account, you just have to click on Get Started right here and sign up using your Google account. But if you already have one, you just have to go ahead and sign in using your credentials. Next, you just have to go to the Google Sheets and you just have to create a new spreadsheet for your inventory. In the first sheet, all you have to do is add columns like item name, category, quantity, unit price, supplier, and restock date. All of these are essential for your inventory list. Now you just have to go back to AppSheet and click on this create button right here and click on app and then click on Start with Existing Data. You have to rename your app and name it depending on what you want to add to it. Then choose a category that you want to use, let's say sales, and choose your data. You must choose your Google Sheet right here and select the Google Sheet that you just made right here. Now, you just have to wait for it to load and AppSheet will automatically build a working app based on your spreadsheet. Now once everything is loaded, all you have to do is to go to data right here on the left part corner and you will be able to see all the columns that you have on your spreadsheet. And you have to make sure that each column has the correct type. For example, quantity must have numbers on it, unit price must have price type on it, supplier and category must have text type, and the item name must have name on their type. You just have to enter an item, quantity, and other details, hit save, and your entry will be stored in the Google Sheet. That's because AppSheet adds a default form view. Now to add a view for inventory list, all you have to do is to go to the view right here and click on views and you'll be able to see the view name on your monitor. Make sure you have a table view named inventory list right here. You can also customize how items are displayed by selecting key fields and grouping options as well. It depends on what you want it to be right here. And that's how to use AppSheet for inventory management. That's all there is today. Hope you help.